you have the cute animal print makeup, but you don't have the ears, have no fear. You're just gonna take a section of your hair and you're gonna braid it. And we're just gonna elastic it off. Then you're gonna fling it off to the side and get the little section below it and braid that. Now you're gonna take your two braids and elastic those together. Now you're gonna take that top one and just start to gently pull it out. You're just gonna take it and you're going to make it more cat-like. And there you have it, cute little cat ears.